Have you ever experienced your dreams being so real? Weird? Or maybe you are the one who can't recall them easily. If you are dedicated to a specific spiritual practice, there are moments when you might wonder, am I dreaming that I am awake? Am I still sleeping? Whatever kind of dreamer you are, dreams can be very potent tools for understanding yourself and the nature of reality. They can point you to explore the different states of consciousness and dive deeper within. One of the practices is lucid dreaming. Becoming aware that one is dreaming while they are still in the dream. It can help one control and explore one's dreams. It is a medium for personal growth. Since ancient Greece, lucid dreaming has spread throughout the world. In his treatise On Dreams, the Greek philosopher Aristotle presented the case of being self-aware during a dream. Lucid dreaming is also part of therapies. One of the main benefits of the therapeutic use is that people get more control of their dreams. This can help them in mental rehearsals, improving their motor skills, relieving anxiety, overcoming nightmares, and decreasing PTSD symptoms. While dreaming, one can become lucid and change the story and scenes of their dream. Here are some things that can help you distinguish if you are in a dreaming or waking state. They can be used in lucid dreaming or otherwise. The first ones are reality checks or tests. Pushing the finger of one hand through the palm of the other hand. In dreams, the finger would usually pass through the hand. Also, you can push your hands against other solid objects such as walls or tables, and be aware if they go through them. Checking your reflection in a mirror can help you notice if it is distorted. In dreams, the mirror reflections are different than the reflections you can spot in your waking state. Pinching your nose and trying to breathe can help you know if you are dreaming or not. If you keep breathing, that means you are dreaming. Time is different in your dreams. While dreaming, if you look at the clock, the time will shift rapidly or appear absurdly. In dreams, your fingers or other body parts may be distorted if you look at them. While counting them, you might notice a different number of your body parts. The practice of reality checks throughout the day can help you monitor your current state of awareness. By doing so, you also build your mental muscle to recognize if you are dreaming while you're asleep. Other practices that can help you be more conscious are visualization. When you set a specific intention before sleep and visualize yourself being aware of the dream, you can improve your lucidity and dream recall. Meditation. Various meditations anchor you to the present moment. You become more conscious of your thoughts and emotions, your inner and outer world. As you dig deeper, you realize the dreamlike nature of reality. As your awareness grows, your ego mind becomes more and more silent. You uncover layer by layer a dream within a dream. You come out of the ocean of deep sleep. Beyond the ever-changing dream is you, awakening. Now, imagine the following scenario. You are capable of controlling your dreams most of the time. Each time you go to sleep, you dream about your future self. Your future self is in a dark corridor, illuminated by the strange light far away from you. You don't know anything about the source of this light. On your left and right sides, you can notice many closed doors. Firstly, you start exploring the left side of the corridor. Each night, you choose one door and step into a new reality where you see your future self growing and changing, developing new skills, meeting and talking to new people, overcoming various obstacles, and so forth. While watching your future self, you feel positive emotions, and at one moment, you feel merged with it. You become your future self. Sometimes your dreams become so real that you can't distinguish what is real and what is not real. In your waking life, you begin to walk and talk like your future self. The moment you begin to open the doors on the right side of the corridor, things become uncertain. You do not have full control of your dreams. As you step into a new reality, you reveal a new territory. You uncover the parts of yourself and consciousness you haven't been aware of. Sometimes, dreams become scary. You might experience jumping out of a cliff or falling into an abyss. But you become aware that you are dreaming, and all the discomfort gets dispersed. The more doors you reach, the more you become open to healing and transformation. The point when you finish opening and exploring all doors becomes interesting. Now, you head towards the source of the strange light. All doors vanish, one by one. There is only you, awakening to the light. In our lucid dreams, we can talk to our dream characters. And just like in the previous scenario, we can merge with our future self, feel, and see things from a new perspective. We can learn so much from our dream characters and allow that knowledge to get transferred to our daily lives. We can be curious and ask them thought-provoking questions. We can have fun. Here is one transformative exercise that can help you on your journey through dreams and beyond. You can rely on the last scenario of you opening the doors and meeting various dream characters. Or you can rely on your unique scenario. It's up to your imagination. Before you go to sleep, put your journal on your bedside table or somewhere else close to you. Engage in your lucid dreaming or some other practice that can help you be more conscious of your awareness. Add the following to your practice. When you wake up in the middle of the night or the morning, jot down your experience or memories from your last dream. After some time, this practice of dream journaling can help you uncover patterns, improve dream recall, and raise your awareness. The dots that connect the dreams can reveal to you the meaning and the path to transformation. Here are some things you can ask your dream characters. Can you show me some signs that I am dreaming? Can you show me that you are dreaming? Where do you come from? Why do you appear in my dreams? What is your role? How can I become more conscious in my life? What do I do not know about my future self? How can I live a more fulfilling and meaningful life? How can you show me the memories from the last dream? As you become more attuned to your practice, you get to know your dream characters better. The questions you feel most aligned with will arise. It is important to avoid jumping to conclusions quickly. The conversations between you and your dream characters can be healing and life-changing, fun and weird. Approach them without judgment and assumptions. Stay open and flexible. This connection is a two-way street. As you change, your dream characters can change too. Have a fun dream journaling.